How to create a Binance account. Sign up Binance tutorial with referral ID, FVM938DJ. If you're looking to start trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, Binance is one of the best platforms to use. This tutorial will walk you through how to create a Binance account step by step, including how to use the referral ID FVM938DJ for a bonus. Let's get started so you can join the world of crypto trading quickly and easily. Step 1. Go to the Binance website. To begin, head to the official Binance website at Binance.com. It's always recommended to use the official link to ensure you're accessing the authentic Binance platform for security. Step 2. Start the registration process. On the homepage, you'll see a Register or Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click this button to start creating your account. Step 3. Choose your registration method. Binance allows you to sign up using your email address, phone number, or Google, Apple accounts. Select the method you prefer. Email. Enter a valid email address and create a secure password. Phone number. Enter your mobile number and create a password. After filling in your details, click Next. Step 4. Enter referral ID, FVM938DJ. During registration, you'll see a field for a referral ID. Enter FVM938DJ in this field to receive a bonus on eligible trades and start trading with extra rewards. Make sure to enter this referral ID carefully to ensure you get the benefits. Step 5. Complete verification. Binance may ask you to complete a puzzle verification to confirm you're not a bot. Follow the instructions on the screen to finish this simple step. Step 6. Verify your account, KYC process. To access all features, including higher withdrawal limits and full trading access, Binance requires identity verification. This process, known as KYC, Know Your Customer, involves uploading a government-issued ID and possibly a selfie to confirm your identity. While optional for some account levels, completing KYC is highly recommended for a smoother experience. Step 7. Secure your account with 2FA. To further protect your account, Binance strongly recommends setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA. You can enable 2FA using Google Authenticator or SMS verification. This added layer of security helps keep your funds and information safe. Step 8. Deposit funds and start trading. Once your account is set up and verified, it's time to fund it. Binance supports a range of deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and crypto transfers from other wallets. After depositing funds, you're ready to explore Binance's wide selection of cryptocurrencies, spot trading, futures, staking, and more. Binance offers competitive fees, a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, and several earning opportunities, making it one of the most user-friendly and versatile crypto platforms available. With advanced tools, a mobile app, and strong security, it's suitable for traders and investors of all levels. Start your Binance journey today. Follow this tutorial, use referral ID FVM938DJ during sign up, and click the link in the description or comments to create your Binance account now.